Good morning, one and all present here. Today, I, Divyanshu Kumar Sinha, student of Standard 10E from New Era High School, roll number 28, is here to present the project work of English, which is given by our teacher Kumari Ankita ma'am, which will tell you about my favorite author and his contribution in the English literature. So, here I begin. He is my favorite author, William Shakespeare, who was born on 26th April 1564. As a playwright, actor, he worked, and from his work, he is known as the greatest writer in English language of world from all the time. His work includes 39 plays, 154 sonnets, 3 long narrative poems, and many other his dramas, novels, and his plays. Many other things are also there. As his early life was not so simple because he doesn't belong from a very wealthy family. He was a son of a glover, a person who made gloves, and he was not from London. Many people think that he was originally from London, but he was from Snipperfield in Warwickshire. He was third of eight children of their parents. His career was successful when he came to London, where he worked as an actor, writer, part owner of playing company called Lord Charbellian's Men, and introduced his innovative ideas to novel, plays, dramas, who changed the world of poetry and literature, and till now it is working. About his writing, I want to tell that he primarily wrote comedies and histories, and some of his best of these were tragedies, Hamlet, Romeo and Juliet, Othello, King Lear, Macbeth, all considered to be one of the best and finest English language literature. In the last phase of his life, he wrote tragic comedies and collaborated with other playwrights. William Shakespeare his first work was long poem, which were Venus and Adonis in 1593 and The Rape of Lucrece in 1594. His other poems were also dedicated to his brothers and family members. One were to Henry Wriothesley, Earl of Southampton, and who had become his patron. His achievement is he is known as the Bard of Avon, from which he got the title from London. He got Nobel Prize in 1923, and he is also regarded as the national poet of England. And a number of achievements, we know that he was one of the greatest writer of English literature. His plays are still played in the Hall of Fame, London. So here I want to conclude, and I want to thank everyone who is watching this video. Hope you like this, and please share it. Thank you and have a charming day.